Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the Joker filter in the ShotCut apps to create the gloomy vibe on your photos or videos. So here you just need to add the media to ShotCut. You can add photos or videos, and after that go straight to filter. Click on the filter. Here you can see under the hot category there is Joker, or you can also find it under the Hollywood section. So just click on the filter and adjust the intensity like this. You can see now the photo will become gloomy like so. Just click on the check icon and it will be applied to your edits. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Click on the thanks. Bye.